Hey Mark, how are you?
Doing good, Olivier.
Thank you so much for being with us today. I know your time is precious. You are leading engineering at NIO to deliver brand new experiences for the transportation and mobility industry. I was really inspired by your pitch at the grand opening of the NIO Berlin Innovation Center back in July. You talk about the concept of user experience defined vehicle. That's really a massive disruption on the market. So can you share with us a bit more?
Yeah, Olivier, thanks. When we started NIO back in 2014, the first question we asked ourselves is, why would consumers be willing to spend money with a company just starting up? So we figured very quickly that we need to create different lifestyle for our consumers. So our vision was to shape joyful lifestyle. So the next question is, how can we do that? Car industry is a very complex industry. Why we have an opportunity where we saw there were technology involvement and there are disruptive technologies. And then there is also all these smart technologies, digital technologies. People are very much used to smartphones, smart devices, pads, etc. So that inspired us, we can do different things. So that's why we call it a user experience defined vehicle. And it's a value-driven product, not a technology-driven product. And one of the things is that the smart devices or smart EVs, they can grow and they can evolve. It's not like once you bought it and then it is forever like that. We can continuously grow the product, adding more features and getting closer to our users' expectation. So what we did, we built it from ground up, the technologies that we need. Very quickly, we were able to build an architecture that we can enable things like FOTA, firmware over the air, and we embed the best technologies that is available. So this is, in a nutshell, that's what we did.
Thanks, Mark. It's really impressive. Your vision, but also your capacity to make it real. I've already sold 300,000 vehicles in the market. I would like to understand what's under the hood. How much are we investing in science and technology, and especially virtual technology?
We really invested massively in the technology because we saw the opportunity for NIO. Globally, we have employed over 10,000 engineers, talents, and 60% of them are from the digital technology or computer science world. So we created the concept of the products. We created the architecture mechanically and the digital technologies. Then we build everything on top of the platform and that enables the smart electrical vehicle. Also includes the electrical drive systems. As you know, Olivier, we met each other back in 2015. That's where we decided that we want to partnership with Dassault, not only because Dassault is leading in the industry, but we were impressed by Dassault's way of thinking. It's by that 8 years ago, we are already thinking the technologies on the cloud, enabling people to work with each other across the different technical domains, across different companies, across different regions. So I think we made the right decision at the time in 2015 to work with Dassault, and the 3D experience is one of the essential backbone for NIO's R&D infrastructure. So answer your question, what's under the hood? NIO is working on integrating all those different technologies, whether it's mechanical engineering, or it's a chemical electrical engineering, or it's software engineering, or it's smart device engineering, and the cloud altogether. Because we believe technology is going to change the productivity, and then the productivity eventually change the user experience and create very different experiences.
Thank you very much, and thank you for betting all that on the 3D Experience platform. And let me ask you, One final question. Hearing you, I understand you need a huge investment on diverse talent for this transformation. So where are you in the process of making it happen on your ongoing vehicle programs?
Really looking forward to continuously working with Dassault to further advance the new technologies that you have developed. There's also the consideration of generative AI technologies getting into the picture. We saw a bright future. Now we are looking forward to continuously to build a common, or let's say single place for working virtually. So that's where we can combine many different activities into the same place, such as styling design, such as engineering CAE simulations, such as also the software-oriented technologies like rendering the UI UX in a virtual car environment with interior design, exterior design, etc. And not to mention that we can leverage the 3D experience platform, allowing us to do the design work, engineering work, testing work, validation, safety, robustness. These are very important for NIO, that when something happens, all the correspondent stakeholders sees the same thing in the same time. So things are much better synchronized. So we can develop vehicle systems with CATIA on the same platform using the 3D experience platform as the baseline. So in addition, that we are working and we're looking at combining the modeling and simulation in the real-time process to check upfront if the system meets the requirements, rather than different engineering organizations working in silo and then find out the problems at a much later stage, and the correction of those problems become either impossible or it's going to cost the company massive amount of investment.
Thank you very much, Mark. I think this is so inspiring to hear from you talking about how we can revolution together, modeling, simulation, providing this to engineer on the 3D Experience platform. And as you said, create an environment where we can really transform the way you are designing vehicles today, and how to win time, save cost, being more efficient. So leveraging many technology like generative design and artificial intelligence. Thank you very much, Mark. I hope you have a great day.
Thank you, Olivier. Thank you. And looking forward to continue our relationship and continue our collaboration.